Okay, so the next section we want to work on is the dot product. We want to figure out how to find the dot product of two vectors, how to determine when two vectors are perpendicular. We want to find the directs and cosines of a given vector, explain what it's meant to find the vector projection of one vector onto another, and calculate the work done by a given force. So let's start off with something very, very simple, which is the definition of the dot product. It is one of the easiest things to compute. So we start off with two vectors. So I have one vector that looks like this. I'm going to call that vector A. I'm going to have another vector that looks like this. I'll call that vector B. And then there's some angle between them. That angle is theta. Okay, so theta is the angle between A and B. And I'm going to define the dot product. So definition, the dot product A dot B and it's written A dot B of vectors A and B is the number A dot B and it is equal to the length of A times the length of B times the cosine of the angle between them. And the way you compute the dot product so the dot product of two vectors A equal to the vector A1, A2, and B equal to the vector B1, B2 is A dot B. That's to take A1 times B1 and add that to A2 times B2. And then definition. The dot product of three vectors And now I'm gonna have, oh, nope, the dot product, I still want two vectors. I just want to change the vectors. I'm saying it wrong. The dot product of two vectors, still two vectors. But I'm gonna change A to be a three-dimensional vector, A1, A2, and A3, and B to be B1, B2, and B3 is, and now I'm going to have a third part, A3,